I'm gonna make a real short video about a real short van. It's a 118. It does not have that little spacer down there in the between the suspension and the frame, so it is a little bit lower roof than the other tall roofs. It is a super high cab though, so it's not that short, I suppose. But this is what just blows me away. It's a 118 with a full build. Got a little kitchenette, bed, and a shower. Who's got a shower in a 118? Raise your hand. Refrigerator's out. Looks like plenty of cabinetry. Little bumpers there to protect your head. Windows, which a lot of people like. If you're trying to keep up with air conditioner, you might not like it so much, but yeah. Tables and things going on back there. Pretty nice cabinetry. Better than I can do, that's for sure. Hey, the curtains are even class act, better than I can do. Somebody's hemmed them up there, but I'm not a seamstress or a cabinet maker. I didn't even notice the microwave up there. Hooked up. Lots of cabinets too. Can't leave out the really good stuff. Look at that, 150,000 miles. Big screen there for the deck. I assume there's a backup camera involved with that deck.
There is.
Yeah, we got some speakers in the ceiling shelf. Nice seats that aren't ripped up or even stained from the looks of it. Wait till you see this. Fresh and clean motor. I'm jealous. New fuel filter on there. Everything's looking new. New hoses, belts, pulleys. Fan looks new. I bet the injectors are new then too.
They are.
Look at that. Even the turbo is either new or rebuilt.
Yeah, I just cleaned that up.
Just cleaned up.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah.
That's the one thing that wasn't replaced. It looked decent.
I saw it was shiny. I thought, oh, a new turbo. Wait, that's not new, but yeah, cleaned up. That's good. Pretty.
Awesome.
Thank you, sir.